Sitting here at a late 1700, 1800 cemetery, investigating Casey Kilgore, Michael the Kid Hunt, by God. Trying to find our way through here. The place is abandoned and growed up, as you can see.
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm probably about to rip my pants and fucking fall down. Oh shit. Oh man, this is about as rough as it gets right here.
That was pretty old.
You say?
1792 to 1862. Damn. What?
I remember there's graves in here everywhere. Yeah. We were probably stepping on some.
1800 to 1850.
There's something living underneath there. Little hole right there.
Yep.
Crazy how fast this has grown up, man.
Dude, that's weird.
Or took nowhere.
This is born March 26, 1830. Died. Nothing.
Shit.
Look.
Yeah. I didn't pay attention.
Benjamin.
What's the name on it?
Elizabeth.
Is that Elizabeth?
Yeah. Sorry, Elizabeth. I'm trying to get this out, baby.
Can I move the tree off of you, Elizabeth? There's another one right back here.
Money.
Here's 1800.
Yeah, to 1850.
Born 1800. Who does that say? Can't even read it. Maria? Maria?
Yeah. The. Get over there. I can't see.
Yeah, so I got 50 cameras on here, so. Pretty grown up. Inside this rock foundation. Running EVP drift recorder. Check it out later on and see what I got.
Wife of. They. I can't make it up.
It's.
I remember it was like the whole family though.
Yeah. You see that rock foundation going all the way around. Yeah, that's crazy, man. These people, when they died, they probably, thought maybe their family was going to take over the cemetery when they left. And
yeah. Well, it's also generation depletion. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
The whole family died, so there's nobody left.
And whatever ancestor. Well, I mean, if there is any ancestors, they don't know shit about it.
Yeah. This over here is Thaddeus Green.
Thaddeus Green.
Born 1792, died 1862. Holy shit, that's a long time.
Yeah, it is a long time. That's crazy, man. They ain't no telling these people probably had a big old house back here and everything.
So I feel like this, Elizabeth was definitely their kid.
Yeah.
Because the wife died, that's what that says. That's supposed to say wife of Thaddeus.
Yeah.
She died 1850, so he outlived everybody. The old man did. That's kind of crazy. That was such outlive your whole family.
Wow. You talking about something fucking
outliving? Yeah.
No shit. When you were just talking about that.
Just got look.
Yeah.
Look.
Wow.
That's weird.
Does anybody in the family want to talk to us? A message maybe you want us to pass down to any kin? Any relatives?
Elizabeth?
Thaddeus?
Did you die? Because your tombstone says that you didn't.
Were you pregnant when you died?
Birth. They could have died in birth. That was
that's true too.
That's a big thing back then, man.
Yeah, I know. All the old cemeteries I've ever visited, man, they're always like babies buried in it.
Yeah. Well, because obviously they didn't have proper medicine and shit to sad.
Holy shit.
Or sad. That's sad.
Sad.
Damn.
It said pregnant and sad.
Damn.
So maybe Elizabeth didn't make it?
That had to be what that meant. Let's see, she was born in, what was it? 1830. So the mom didn't die till 1850.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Huh.
So that would put the mom at, yeah, so she would have been 30 years old when Elizabeth was born.
Yeah. But I don't think many people made it past 40 or 50 back then.
No, but I'm saying, now I'm trying to think of, here, look. Look, we stepped over this. Richard. 18, let's see,
1855.
to 1858.
Damn. He's only 3 years old, man.
Yeah.
That's a baby born right there. Damn.
Son of J and C H Green. So that's Thaddeus Green.
Wow.
So you reckon that was like his brother's kid?
Below.
Below, dude.
Below. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Just so happens we're just right here next to his grave.
Yeah, and it says below. Well, Richard, don't mean to be mean, buddy, but I don't think you knew enough words to communicate with us at 3 years old. That's cool how they done the little swan thing in there.
Yeah.
These are all hand carved too, man. That's what's crazy.
Yeah.
1858, I'm pretty sure they didn't have, you know, a fucking engraver. So. I'll bet you. No, it says of J and C H Green.
So maybe there's probably more headstones we're not seeing in here because of all the growth. I mean, this is a big old plot.
Stacy.
Well, we don't know Stacy. Stacy wasn't that common name back then.
Yeah. Yeah, there's another one over here.
Is there?
Yeah, that's it. Actually, there's about 4 more over here.
The house. I bet you there's a big old house back here at one time.
Well, had to be. Damn, how we gonna do this?
I don't know. Like I said, we should have brought that goddamn machete.
This fucking man, it's spiders all over me. Doesn't want no fucking poison oak or some shit. Actually, I think that was just part of the wall, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So is there any other spirits in here you want to communicate? Or the ones that we've already talked to? Or the ones, well, somebody's trying to communicate with us, but tell us who it is. What's your name? Is this Maria or Thaddeus? Old ass name, ain't it?
Yeah.
Angry.
Angry.
Why are you angry? And you know, the thing is, maybe getting responses we don't even know. I haven't let you listen to the one from the mushroom mine yet.
Yeah.
But that wait was twice, and I thought I heard it while you was talking, and then neither one of us was.
Forgive my sins.
Forgive my
Oh
sins.
my God.
Dude. This is getting deep in here.
What is your sins?
And you know, think about something else that just clicked too. back in them times, if you had a child born out of wedlock, you was a piece of shit.
Yeah.
I mean, you was a whore. So, I mean, families, you don't, boots. But, but as crazy as this sounds, you don't know that Thaddeus, right there, the old, I'm assuming the dad or something, who's to say that Elizabeth didn't get pregnant, okay? They found out about it, obviously.
Yeah.
And he killed him. You know what I mean? The family killed him because she might have got pregnant out of wedlock or something. I mean, that shit happened a lot. You know what I mean? They took that shit real serious. Especially these little farm town families and shit.
That's I didn't know who I was there for a long time because my grandmother, I ain't going to tell all this on video though.
Yeah.
That was it.